Yo, yo, yo. The fuck is up, boob tube, tube swoob? It's me here. And, I'm gonna take a fucking dab. I already took 3 fucking dabs, and that's fucking okay with me, okay? If it's okay with you, I don't care or not if it is, because I'm gonna take another fucking dab, bitch. Alright, let's go. Whew. What the fuck? Oh, man. I just took... I just took 2 fucking dabs, guys. Well, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm gonna be drinking 2 bottles of Delsum later. I'm gonna be drinking 2 bottles of Delsum cough syrup, so then I can fucking take some more dabs, and it can keep me from fucking coughing. You feel me? Right, yeah, as fuck. Fucked up off the medicine too. You feel me? Just called the lady. The lady told me she wasn't able to buy me cough syrup, which is total bullshit because Sterling was last time, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Still, we're getting fucked up. So I'm gonna go drink that cough medicine. Taking 4 dabs. Another day taking 4 dabs. Nothing, not a big deal. It's been 4 months since I smoked ganja. Oh shit. For 20 minutes into the video. Let me know what you guys are smoking on, dabbing on, vaping on, or fucking whatever the fuck you're doing it on. Doing some edibles, tell me what you eating, what strains and shit. Oh shit. I got so stoned, guys. I'm gonna have to come sit down. Oh, shit.